Welcome to our November movement challenge. Let's get started. Just simply shift your weight from side to side. Reach your arm up and across your body. We're gonna wake up our joints. We're gonna come here and move every single day this November. Regardless of what the weather's doing, we're gonna build balance and mobility, strength and stamina, as well as this incredible consistency and discipline. And we're gonna really focus on our mindset this November. Here in the Nordics, most people would say that November's the worst month of the year. We're gonna reframe that, and we're gonna find a way to make this November the absolute best month of the year. Okay, already, let's just reach up, tap your foot to the side, get real long with this movement. Feel your back decompressing. Reach as high as you can, step out as far as possible. We want to connect to our breath with our movements, bring a real element of presence and mindfulness into everything that we do, so that we can age with strength, with grace, mobility, because youth isn't an achievement, but certainly aging with wisdom and strength and balance certainly is. We're going to come to each session with an open mind. It's going to be different every day. And if nothing else, we'll boost our mood and elevate our energy every single day. Okay. Step behind you and give yourself a nice hug, really waking up the shoulders and the upper back. You can start to step a little further. These sessions, I will try to be doing every one outdoors when the weather permits. It's just an encouragement for you to get outside and connect to nature. We know the benefits of being in nature. Gonna breathe into it. And I suspect that the data would say that being out in nature, all those amazing benefits, is not reserved for only when it's sunny and beautiful. But I suspect getting out when it's quote unquote miserable probably does more benefits for us than on those sunny days, as we build resilience. And a very important word in the Finnish language is sisu. We will talk more about that on day 3. Okay, now we're gonna come back and get a little bit lower. We're gonna shift our weight again. Swing your arms with intention. Feel it in your hips, in your glutes. We get down low like this, we're building great leg strength. We're gonna slow things down from time to time as the season changes. We're gonna recognize what metabolic winter is and how we can embrace the cold and the dark, and a time for our body to rest and recover. We can add a little bit of movement into it as well. Swing your arms with intention. Maybe you get a little bit lower. Okay, rise up. Very simply, I'm gonna step forward onto my heel, reach my other arm across my body. You're gonna feel a nice stretch in the hamstring. We wanna bend and stretch this month. Increase our flexibility for nothing other than we can bend over and tie our shoes when we're 102. Real functional fitness this month. I'm gonna breathe consciously into this movement. I'm not gonna move that branch because it's not a branch. It's a root. Couple more. Okay, bring it in for a march. I invite you to pick up the pace a little bit. We will have some sessions where we get our heart rates up, increase our stamina and cardiovascular endurance, so that we can get out for those evening walks, even when it's gray and stormy. A little bit quicker now. Move around your space a little. Okay, now same movement, but I'm going to slow it down. We can bring a balancing component into this march. I just hold my leg up a little bit high, longer. During our sessions, every session modify, every movement modify. We're all at different levels. We're not comparing ourselves to anyone. We just accept where we're at. That's our starting place. Brilliant. Then we can move forward and truly grow, become that best version of ourselves. One movement, one session, one day at a time. Okay. Ooh, feel that in the hips. So do I. Very gentle, slight squat. Bring your hands together and then open up. I'm going to breathe in and out. Just flow with the movement. Just find the rhythm that works for you and just enjoy moving your body. Movement is a privilege, not a punishment. Look up to the sky, build that mobility in your neck, upper back as we build this remarkable leg strength. We honor these beautiful legs of ours. Think of all the incredible places they've taken us and all the amazing places they're still going to take us. One more. Oh, brilliant. Just a bit of balancing. Very simply, lift your leg up, but bring your leg a little to the side. So we're adding a mobility element. We're balancing, but when we bring our leg across, we're gaining just a little bit more mobility in our hip. Ooh. Another great time to connect to your breath. Open up your chest nice and wide. You can bring your arms back as far as possible. Bring your shoulder blades together. Again, now there's mobility in the upper back and spine as well. We can really slow it, hold for an extra moment to bring that balance. We need good core stability when we're balancing. Engage the core. Oh, one more on each side. Oh, there we go. That's it for this session. We are going to end every session with a little bit of focused attention. I ask you to pick one spot, one thing to look at. Can I get that leaf to stick there? I cannot. Find something and give it all of your attention, all your focus, and watch when your mind wanders and just bring it right back. I'm going to do it with a little bit of movement. I love just shifting my weight from side to side, leg strength, core stability, so much more. I'm also going to come into prayer posture, practice a little bit of gratitude. Pick your spot and let's just be for 30 seconds or so. Let's go. There's some definite distractions in my environment. That's the good stuff. We notice we get distracted. Whoop, we bring our attention right back to our focal point. Amazing. Thank you so much for being here. Let's continue to do this every day. I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.